thoughts. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Arsh. Thought of the day: kind words make strong friends. I call upon Aisha for general knowledge.
हाँ शुरू है, थोड़ा करीब पकड़।
General knowledge is sun is star, not a planet. I call upon Aliza for importance of the day. Of day. It is July 2025. Today is sunrise is 6:58. In 2007, Parthiba Srimati Parthiba Tai Patel was becoming the first woman president of India.
Claps.
I call upon Ariba for a story. Morning everyone. My story name is Lion and Mouse. Once upon a time, Lion and Mouse lived in a jungle. One day, Lion sleeping, Mouse dancing on the lion. Lion woke up, catch the mouse. Mouse requested for forgiveness. Lion let him go. After some days, Lion caught in the net. Mouse caught the net. Mouse by his teeth. Thank the Lion fully. Thank the mouse. The moral of the story: do good, have good. Be ready for national song. Start the national song. National song: मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश.